is time for this week's Dollar Tree haul, and I have some fun things, but these are all pretty much for a project coming up. So I know that a lot of you see these at the Dollar Tree. They come in blue, pink, purple, but I'm going to show you a way to dress these up, so keep an eye out for a video in the next few days. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, but I'm not there yet. I'm a little tired. So if I don't do it over the weekend, it'll probably be Monday or Tuesday, but it's so simple, and you're going to have fun making them, and it's a great way to spruce them up just a bit. So these they have, and these are by their signs and things, at least in my Dollar Tree. I did get the grapevine wreaths, and of course I am going to make a bunny out of this, and I'm going to do it completely, not completely, but a little different than the others that you have seen, because that's how I roll. And you're going to all be able to make these, I promise you. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that real soon. Probably the following weekend. How about that? We'll make this one next. Then we all see these baskets, and I've been wanting to do this for a few years now. So I have a fun idea that I'm going to share with all of you. This will be coming up soon, but these do sell out quickly. So I wanted to show you guys that I got 2 of these, and I'm going to share what I'm going to do with these really soon. And you might want to make one to hang outside by your door too. So just keep watching, and you'll see this come up pretty soon. And a lot of you guys say, when are you going to do this? When are you going to do that? And it just depends on what's, like, how the weather is, because I like to be able to put stuff where it's supposed to go rather than have it in a corner or something. So that's one of those items that you just have to kind of keep an eye out for. Of course, all the Easter things will be in the next few weeks. Then we'll get into spring and Mother's Day and different flowers and things like that. But I have a lot of fun stuff coming up, and I'm not sure about my surgery that I'm going to have probably in April. So that might set me back a little bit. But I will try to pre-record some things so that all of you get a chance to see things even though I'm not available. So I'll see how that works out. Then I thought that these were really cute. They didn't have these at my other Dollar Tree. The one I go to in Chicago Ridge, Illinois is the one that had them. They don't all carry these. If you see these and you remember our glass case holders that we made for Christmas, and we did make some with the sunflowers in the summer, last summer. So you want to go to my YouTube channel. Again, if you're on Facebook, the YouTube channel is above. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, the link is below on YouTube. So we did make these. Just click on tutorials and you'll see how easy these are to hold your sunglasses. You can put them in your purse. You can use them for other things too. So even if you have it fold like a sunglass case, sometimes your makeup leaks. Sometimes you just want to stick some mascara and some lip gloss, and you know it's right there standing upright in your purse. It's easy to grab it, and they have a lot of fun colors. And once you fold it, I mean, you have this little loop there that you can hang somewhere in your car if you want, so that your sunglasses are right there at hand's end. Because the worst thing we do is we put our sunglasses on the dash, and then they slide all over, and before you know it, the lens is scratched. So this is a great way to prevent that from happening. And again, that easy tutorial, very easy, is on my YouTube channel. Just click on tutorials and scroll down, and you guys might run into something else that you're interested in making. Then I got this cute little bunny. I thought it would be cute in a wreath, like when you do the wreath and we set them right in the bottom. I did do the Easter wreath in the last video, so again, if you missed that one, just click on the YouTube channel. It's one of the most recent videos. It's under tutorials, and you guys can figure out how I did that one with the curl mesh method that I usually do. But I do have another one coming up really soon. So I thought he was a really cute guy, but he's also kind of cute just to kind of use him as an Easter, display somewhere. I got these because I like the, I don't use something more than once. I usually use it and I throw it out, because especially when it comes to makeup, and they do sell these sponges when you do the liquid foundation. So they have these, and there's quite a few in here. There's 28. So this is almost like a month's supply for $1. So I like those. And I always pick these up at Dollar Tree. These are the 3.3 inch because they're hard to find. And they're perfect to do the flower balls. Again, I have a video that I did recently. If you didn't see those, they're perfect for decorations for weddings, baptisms. You can add the little accents that the Dollar Tree sells with the baby shower items, and you can add those in the flower balls. So you got to, again, go to tutorials, scroll down. It was a recent video, and you can figure out how to make your own flower balls. And these are the ones you need. So Dollar Tree carries those. Otherwise, you can probably find them at a craft store, but they are a little bit more expensive. Then I got these really cute little unicorns. You guys always hear me talk about the front of the store at Dollar Tree. They have the little kiosks right by the registers, but mine sometimes have them in the front throughout the store, and that's where I found these. I thought these were really cute, perfect to pick up for a girl for Easter and stuff it in her basket. Otherwise, you can do like a cute cosmetic bag. Sometimes we have teenagers that don't want a basket, but you can put together a cute cosmetic bag, and you can put the little unicorns in there. So that's really cute. I only picked up one of these, and I can kind of kick myself because I would like more of these to do the outside light decor items that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make and what I do. So if you find these, they're usually battery operated, and they have these, I don't even know, like in the seasonal section, and I could kick myself for not buying at least one or two more. But these are the little lights that are going to flicker in between anything we do for a spring or summer project. So you want to pick those up. This I thought was cute, and believe it or not, I got the last one. It's a stencil wheel. So like if you were doing signs or something and you wanted to accent just this present, you would just take it here, and then you have this where if you were going to spray paint or whatever the present, you could without using the other stencils. But I thought it was kind of cool. You spin the wheel and you can trace it, and it says happy birthday. What's the next one say? Happy birthday. Here's little balloons. I looked for more. Here's little candles. So this would be perfect for like cards. You could probably use the stencil if you were to do any type of a cupcake or a cake. So you might want to look for these. But like I said, I picked up the last one. I didn't find any more throughout the store. Then I got this because I've been seeing these little wood crafts, and I think this is perfect for kids. This one is a little box. They had a little truck and a little car. So it comes with everything you need, and you just put it together. So you can paint it. You can put little embellishments on it. They have little rhinestones and things. So I thought that was really, really cute. I got these markers because I always forget when I plant my little herb garden what's what. And if I use a Sharpie marker, they work perfect. So these are in the spring section. I got these little tassels because these are really, really cute. If you do any kind of journaling, you can hang this on the edge for a little decoration. You can do little cosmetic bags. You can even add those to our little sunglass cases just to give it a little accent. Or you can hang them from your purse or your messenger bag, whatever it is you carry. But I thought these were really cute as well. Perfect for a stocking stuffer for a teenage girl. Then I got these because I thought these were really cute. These are something new. They're coming out. Journaling is becoming very big. There's one girl, Simona. She makes really adorable. I will post that link below for her. I'm not sure what the name of it is again. I always forget her Facebook page. But she makes adorable journals. You might want to check her out. And she buys a lot of the little embellishments, but she makes a lot of her own as well on her I think her Cricut cutting machine, if I'm not mistaken, but she makes a lot of adorable journals. So I'll post her below. Then I got, I'm going to try something. I have tried the Easter eggs in the past with the balloon. Believe it or not, I was not successful, but I'm going to try something completely different. So I got 3 of these, and hopefully it'll work. And if it does, I most certainly will do a video. Then I got these, also perfect for a girl for Easter. I remember when I was a kid, I used to like paper dolls, but these are stickers. So perfect for a little girl to do a journal and then add these stickers in there so that they can dress them up and do whatever they want. Then I got these cute little bunnies. I also thought that these were kind of cute. You can use these on one of the wreaths you made. You can dress them up, or you can have the kids put eyes and a mouth on there. You can add one of those cute little carrots I showed you in the last Dollar Tree haul. So I thought those were really cute. I got this just for a tabletop accent. I thought it was kind of cute, but it would also look really, really cute in the St. Patrick's Day wreath. Unfortunately, I have not done one this year, but I thought it was kind of cute for the table. And I also got I got these because these two would look really, really cute in a wreath. And although my boutique is not open, I try to dress up my windows according to the holidays, and I spread these out like a scatter, and I thought these were really cute. But these would look really, really cute in like a white and green wreath. So you might want to pick these up, and they also have the little coins in here as well. So they have these. So you might want to check that out. And I did get these coins as well. So this is the last of my Dollar Tree haul, and like I said, I have some fun things coming up. These would be really, really cute in a wreath as well. I'm just going to use them in my front window at my store just to kind of spruce things up, even though I'm not open. People stop and look in my window all the time. Hopefully I'll be able to open again as I'm healing, but we'll have to see how things go, because I'm going to plan on moving my store, and I'm moving it online. So you will have to click on the link below if you want to see what we're going to be selling at Serendipity's Closet. If you like my Facebook page, Serendipity's Closet, we'll be doing live videos. We'll be giving a lot of things away. I have a lot of fun things that we'll be selling. So click on that link as well and like the page so that you can join us for the live videos. How fun is that? So I wanted to do this quick Dollar Tree haul so you guys don't miss out. We're getting close to St. Patrick's Day. Some of those items you might not be able to get. Again, I did the wreath for Easter. I have another Easter wreath coming up. I have another fun Easter project coming up. I'm going to do the simple project that you can do with those plastic Easter bunnies to spruce those up. And I will see all of you really, really soon. And I'm happy that I'm back to at least share some of the stuff that I'm getting. And again, if you don't see me for a while, don't worry. I will be back, and I'm going to try to pre-record some things because I'm not sure what my next phase is going to be as I boot out breast cancer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of you really, really soon. Bye now.